Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I will be discussing about one of the best wallpaper which is available right now for the Mi11X device. So which has a small punch hole type wallpaper, friends. So in this video, I will be exploring about the wallpapers and what are the features it does have, what are the things you need to know as well. And in case if you are interested in this kind of different punch hole types of wallpaper, for every punch hole side there is a special wallpaper which is designed. So for that kind of use case, I did create a separate playlist for the wallpapers only. So try to check the wallpaper playlist and you can find each and every punch hole video which are uploaded on different smartphones. So try to check those playlists. Not only that, even for live wallpapers as well, there is a playlist as well. So try to check the links in description, friends. Otherwise you can check the playlist directly. So in this video we'll be exploring about the wallpapers which are actually designed for this kind of use case in the Mi11X device. So because recently a lot of viewers of my subscribers are from Mi11X, so it's good to do this kind of video, so which will be kind of beneficial for you all. So the most use case for this wallpapers is that by looking at the wallpaper, the punch hole should be exactly matching with the wallpaper. So you'll get that kind of feeling that you are using kind of full screen experience. So that is a small difference, but definitely this looks kind of unique if you compare your smartphone with other phones as well, other friends devices. So this is what, friends, whenever I do this kind of a wallpaper trick in my mobile phone, so definitely out of 4 people will be asking me what is the wallpaper I'm using. So this is another way to attract, and you can make your phone look kind of unique from other mobile phones. So there are plenty of wallpapers available similarly like this in this application. So let's explore, friends, what is the application name as well. So let's go to the Play Store, and this is an app which name is a Note 10 wallpaper, as you can see. So this is a wallpaper application which is particularly designed for the Note 10 and the Samsung Note 10 Plus mobile phones. But the only advantage is that most of the Samsung Note 10 mobile phones, Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, they do have this kind of middle punch hole. So which is kind of very useful even for this kind of mid-range segment mobile phones and other mobile phones which are having this kind of middle punch hole location. So try to open this kind of application, and once you open the application, you will find plenty of wallpapers, and these are the wallpapers, kind of unique wallpapers you can find here, as you can see. So the list is kind of limited at the moment. It's not unlimited wallpapers. You cannot get close to 500 or 1000. So there's a kind of limit for this kind of wallpapers, but the list of these wallpapers is kind of increasing every month. That is what I did notice from the beginning to till now of using this application. So one thing is that once you download, and if you try to keep this kind of Eiffel Tower as a wallpaper, so let me try to show you, friends. So just click on the set as a wallpaper, and the wallpaper will be set. But only thing is that sometimes the wallpaper will not be in exact position. So right now you can see, friends, the small hole is coming slightly outwards. You can see here. So which will create some kind of big black hole over there. So what you need to do is that instead of that, so let me try to open the app. So instead of actually setting this wallpaper, so you need to download the wallpaper. Go to the more options and download it. So once you download, so now you need to go to the gallery application. So once you're in the gallery application, as you can see, friends, now you need to go to the more options and set as a wallpaper. So now you can adjust this kind of exact area, how much you wanted that black one to be there, as you can see here. So in this way you can readjust the position as well using this kind of application. So there are some other apps as well where you need to pay for the application to download. For this application you don't need any kind of payment at all. So you can directly download the wallpapers from this application. That is what I like in this particular application. So you don't need to pay anything. So it's completely free. So you can download all the wallpapers and keep in your gallery and create a separate folder like Mi11X wallpaper, something like that, and try to delete this application. So you cannot, there is no need of using this application every time. So just download and you can delete the application later on, and you can use directly from the gallery itself, as you can see, friends, instead of avoiding this kind of annoying ads. So it's better to do that one as well, as you can see here. So if you download this wallpaper, and you can adjust this this image close to this kind of black hole, so which looks kind of really cool using this kind of applications. So do let me know in the comments below, friends, what are your thoughts about this kind of wallpaper application, and if you want me to make this kind of videos in the future as well, do let me in the comments below. So definitely I'll do my best to post this kind of unique videos on this phone or any other smartphone applications as well. I'll try to even start a series, top apps of the week or top games of the week, something like that. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.